Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the logical operators that in supported by Java. In this session, we discuss about what are the logical operators. That means the introduction of logical operators, and after this, we discuss about the what are the different types of logical operator. Okay, basically there are three logical operators, that is the logical and logical or and logical not. And after that, we concentrate on the programming implementation. Okay, first we have to see what do you mean by the logical operators. Okay, basically we, uh, when we have the condition in which we have to combine two expression, and according to evaluation of combined expression, we have to take some decision. Okay, in these situations we generally use the logical operators. in uh, uh, in simple words, we can say that basically logical operator is used to combine more than one expression to take any decision. Okay, suppose okay, basically first we have to write what do you mean by the logical operator. Okay, when we have to when we have the condition, okay, in which we have to combine two expressions, and and take any decision, and we can say, and according to evaluation we can take decision. Okay, so basically this is the use of the basically it is the use of the logical operator. Suppose we can use consider the situation. Suppose consider the situation. What is that? Suppose we there are two conditions. First is that if the weather uh, would be fine, okay, and the second statement is I would go, or I would be having a bike. Okay, then I would go for long drive. Okay, basically there are two statements. Okay, first is the if the weather would be fine, and second statement I would be having bike and I would go for a long drive. Okay, in this case both the condition must should be true. Okay, if both will be true, then the action would be taken. That means if the weather would be fine, then we will go for the long drive. Okay, so basically it is the situation that will be generally used for the loss used by the implement sorry this such type of situation can be generally handled by the logical operator. Okay, so we can write this expression. Suppose if statement one statement one is that if the weather should be fine. Okay, statement one, this is the operator, this is the operator that will be known as the AND operator. Okay, second is the statement two. Okay, so basically if both of the statement true, then we go for the this particular decision. Okay, basically that means ki this operator that it here used, this is the known as the logical AND operator. Okay, what is the logical logical and. Okay, it can be generally represented by the this. Okay. Okay, what is the their functionality, how it react. Okay, the operator is used to evaluate two expressions simultaneously. Okay, simultaneously if both of the expressions are true. Okay, then the whole compound expression is true. Okay, so this is the working of the. Okay, so here we can easily understand what are the use of the logical AND operator. We can also say that it is the operator that support us to taking any concrete decision. Okay, this is basically also working on the logical AND. We always understand about the logic gates. Okay, logic gates. Okay, logic gates. So in case of the logical AND gate, here we can see both of the condition must be true. Okay, both of the condition true, then the our output will be true. Okay, but either of in either of the one condition may be false, the whole statement will be false. Okay, that means ki it always returns, when we use the logical operator, it always returns a boolean value like true and false. Okay, so basically this is the logical of and it works on the basis of logical and gate. Okay, this is the first operator. Okay, so basically in when we use such operator, that means ki both of the condition must be true, then our output will be true. Okay, now we can see the next is the logical or. Okay, logical or. What will be the sign? This is the sign. Okay, what is the logical operator? Logical or, basically the logical or is used to combine two expression or the condition evaluate to true if any one of the two expression is true. That means ki more of the both of the condition be true, or either one of the condition be true. Okay, so then our condition the whole expression outcome will be true. Okay, we can write the logical or is used to combine two expressions. Okay, two expressions or the condition evaluates true if any one of the two expressions is. Okay, so basically we can say that it works on the basis of logical OR gate. Okay, we can say it works on the basis of logical or gate. Okay, so basically this is the logical or, in which here we can see basically suppose it combines two expression, that means both of the condition must be true or either of the condition be true. Okay, so basically it is a logical or operator. Clear? Now the last logical operator is logical not. Okay, logical not, the symbol is this. Okay, basically what is the use of the logical not? Basically it just reverses the value of the expression, that is if the expression is true it will evaluate it as a false and vice versa. Okay, we can also write it is it just reverse the value of the expression. Okay, as we know that the value of the expression in the case of the logical operator or in case of the relational operator, it will be always returns a boolean value in like true or false. Okay, so when we use logical not operator before any expression, if the expression becomes true, okay, or when we use the not operator before the expression, then it reverses the value of that expression. If expression becomes true, then not makes it a false. Okay, value of the we can write it just reverses the value of the expression, that is if the expression is true, it would evaluate it as false and vice versa. Vice versa means true becomes false and false becomes true. Okay, so basically these are the three operators that will be generally used and known as the logical operator. First is the logical and, okay, second is the logical or, and third is the logical not. Okay, so basically these are the logical operators that are supported in Java. Okay, now we go for the programming implementation. Okay, save the file. Okay, now we go for the programming. Okay, now class logical, suppose public static void main string, and this is s. Okay, now here we declare variables int a equal to 5, b equal to 10, and c equal to 50. Okay, now bull. Okay, suppose here we write bull equal to, here we combine the two expressions, suppose a greater than b, and first we use h, and second is b less than c. Okay, now we display the value system dot out dot println, okay, result equal to plus bull. Clear? Basically here we use the logical operator and, okay, as we know that the logical operator is just used to combine the two or more expressions at a time. Okay, so basically it combines the two expressions. First expression is a greater than b. Okay, so basically a greater than b, that means the value of a equal to 5 and value of b equal to 10, that means ki the condition becomes false. Okay, and in case of b greater than c, okay, clear? So basically the output will be this condition b less than c. Okay, it is the condition true and this condition is the false. So basically in case of the AND logical operator, both of the condition must be true, then output will be true. Okay, but in here the output of one expression is true and output of one expression is false. That one condition is the true and another condition is false, then it will the final output will be the false. Okay, now we save the program logical.java. Okay, save. Now we have to compile javac logical.java. Okay, now java logical. Here we write capital only. Okay, here we see result equal to false. Okay, okay, now we discuss what are the mechanism that is used by the logical AND. Okay, basically there are two expressions. Okay, a greater than b, this is the one is the right hand and second is the left hand. So then anybody can say which of the expression a greater than b and b greater for which will be evaluate first. Okay, so here we can write if the left expression is false, okay, it will be not go to evaluate the right hand okay, if the next expression is false, suppose a greater than b, the value of a equal to 5, equal to 10, so 5 greater than the left expression becomes false. Okay, then it will be not go to evaluate the right hand expression. If it will become false and it becomes true, then it will be ordered. Internal mechanism how to evaluate such type of expression. Okay, that means key the evaluation of expression evaluation of this compound statement is started from the left expression. Okay, now we go for the next, that is logical AND. Okay, sorry, logical OR. Now we can use the bool operator. Okay, that is the type of the boolean. Here a same operation, a greater than b, or okay, and b greater than c. Okay, again we display the value system dot out dot print and result equal to plus. Now bool. Okay. So basically now we have also used what is the internal mechanism to evaluation of this logical operator. Okay. Same as the logical or if the suppose if the left expression is true, if the left expression is true, it considers the result to be true. Okay, it considers the result will be true and it does not evaluate the right hand expression. Okay, that means basically if the left expression suppose a greater than b is true, it considers the result to be true and it does not evaluate the right hand expression, because this logical or operator will works on the basis of the logical and gate. Okay, so basically output of system.out println result equal to both, that will be what, that will be true. Okay, now we save, exit Java logical. Okay, sorry, suppose we can check here. Okay, we have to make this statement as a comment. Okay, so this error has been generated. Okay, logical dot java. Okay, we have to make a statement as a comment. Okay, now we see file save, exit java c logical dot java. Okay, now we go for the java. Now the result becomes true. Okay, so this is the working mechanism of the logical operators. And now at the end of the session we have to discuss the logical not operators. Okay, basically here we can say that bool equal to, suppose here we use the condition a less than b and b greater than c. Okay, so basically this is the expression. What will be the outcome? Okay, basically a less than b, so a less than b, it is true. Okay, then we go for the if it becomes false, then we do not go for the next expression. Okay, now basically it is the true, then we go for the next statement. Then b greater than c, the condition is false. Okay, so basically here the condition becomes true and here the condition becomes false. So true and false, in the case of the logical AND, it will produce the false. But when we use any logical not operators, okay, then it reverse its output. That means the output of this expression, the complete statement, is the false. And when we add logical not operator before that expression, it reverse its output. That means it will produce the true. Now we can display the value dot println result equal to plus bw equal. Okay, save and exit cls. Okay, now we have to compile java c logical dot java. Okay, this is the single error this error has been generated due to there is no any semicolon at the end of the statement. Okay, now we can remove the error. Edit logical dot Java. Okay, now we can add the semicolon. Okay, now save and exit Java C logical. Okay, now we Java logical. Okay, the condition becomes true. Okay, so basically here it means we are visually can understand what is the use of the logical and what is the logical use of logical or and what is the use of the logical not operator. Okay, now I want to conclude the session and I hope you uh, uh, easily understand what are the basically importance of the logical operator in the program. Okay, now in the next lecture we will discuss about the different bitwise operators. Okay, thank you.